Hello guys, in this video I'm going to revise with you organic chemistry. That is, we are doing the last four questions in science 2014, paper 1. So question number 37 says the equation representing combustion of methane in excess oxygen is Z. So the question is asking us to find the combustion of methane in excess. So now this excess oxygen, it is telling us about something about complete combustion. So the excess oxygen is saying about complete combustion. So under complete uh, combustion, this is when methane reacts with the whole of oxygen then to form uh, carbon dioxide, and it forms water. So that is the complete combustion of methane. Then you are only remaining with the balancing part. You check carbon here is 1, carbon here is 1, there are 4 hydrogens here, then here we only have 2 hydrogens, so we put a 2 to balance up the hydrogens. Then we've got 2 atoms of oxygen, and then we've got 2 plus 2, 4 atoms of oxygen, which will put a 2 here to balance up the oxygen. So this is the complete combustion of methane. So from the multiple choice, we can see that the answer is A. So methane reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. Question 38. Study the structure of an alcohol below. So this is the structure of an alcohol. So first of all, try to guess the name of this alcohol. So this alcohol has got 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. So the name of this alcohol, it is propanol. Which of the structures show the compound formed when the alcohol is dehydrated? So what is a dehydration reaction of an alcohol? So for an alcohol to be dehydrated, the products will be an alkene. So you form an alkene and steam. So the question says, which of the structures show the compound formed when an alcohol is dehydrated? So we are looking for an alkene. This is not an alkene, and this is not an alkene since it has the COOH group. It's a carboxylic acid. Then this is not an alkene because it only has a pair of double bonds. So D is the only alkene that we have. So it can be like this. The chemical formula for propanol is C3, then the hydrogens, they are about 7, then OH. So this one, it is dehydrated to form, it will form an alkene, which is C3H6. It will also form steam, which is H2O. So this is the alkene that it will form. So it has 3 carbons and 6 hydrogens. So which is this alkene. The name of this alkene, it is propene. So making G to be the answer. Question 39. The diagram below represents the structure of polyvinyl chloride, PVC. So this is the structure of PVC. Which of the following represents the simplest repeating unit of PVC? So first of all, what is PVC? The other name for PVC, it is polychloroethene. So this is a polymer formed by monomers of chloroethene, which is vinyl chloride. So when chloroethene monomers, they add up by breaking the double bonds, they form this giant structure we call polychloroethene or polyvinyl chloride. So for instance, let's say the structure of a chloroethene is like this. We've got a double bond here, then here we've got chlorine, then here we've got hydrogen, we've got hydrogen. So this is one chloroethene, Now when they react, so they react, let's say we add another chloroethene, so this is a Cl, hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So when they react by breaking the double bonds, so it will be like this. Now there are 4 carbons, so the double bonds have been completely broken. Then you put a hydrogen here, a hydrogen here, then on top there is a chlorine, then there is a hydrogen here, there is a hydrogen here, a hydrogen here, then there is a chlorine, a hydrogen, then you show the bonds like this. So this is the result when these two they react. So now the simplest the question is asking us to find the simplest repeating unit of PVC. Now in this one, the simplest repeating unit, it is this one. As you can see, this and this, they are the same, so it will continue repeating itself. So this on its own, it's we call it vinyl chloride or chloroethene. So checking on the multiple choices, our answer here, the one that has that one, it is choice C. So as you can see, it doesn't matter the location of the chlorine, as long as it is just one chlorine atom and 3 hydrogens. That's one repeating unit. Okay, then question 40. The question says below are structures of 4 monomers. So these are monomers. This is a monomer number 1, number 2 is a monomer, number 3 is a monomer, number 4 is a monomer. So they're saying which pair of monomers will form a polyamide with the structure shown below. So this structure, it's a polyamide. Now what is the name of this structure? So now looking at this one, we can see that this is the structure of nylon. So the whole thing is the structure of nylon. Hence, nylon is formed